Are you tired of the daily commute and looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your home? The idea of working from home has become more appealing than ever, especially with the advancements in technology and the growing gig economy. How can you take advantage of these opportunities to boost your income in 2024? In today's video, we will discuss how to make money from home in 2024. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide where to start. Whether you're looking for a full-time job, a side hustle, or a way to monetize your hobbies, we've got you covered. We will cover various methods, from freelancing and online tutoring to selling products and creating content. Let's get started. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money from home. It allows you to offer your skills and services to clients all over the world. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with businesses looking for specific skills. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or marketer, there is a demand for your expertise. Start by creating a strong profile that showcases your skills and past work. Building a good reputation through positive reviews can help you attract more clients and higher-paying projects over time. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrency. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrency can be a way to earn money from home, although it comes with risks. Start by educating yourself on the basics of investing and the current market trends. Platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, and E-Trade make it easy to start investing with a small amount of money. Diversify your investments to manage risk and consider long-term strategies. Keep up with financial news and market analysis to make informed decisions. While investing can be unpredictable, it offers the potential for significant returns over time if done wisely. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have a passion for teaching, online tutoring can be a rewarding way to make money from home. With the rise of e-learning platforms, there is a high demand for tutors in various subjects, including math, science, languages, and test preparation. Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Weezent connect tutors with students in need of help. To get started, you typically need to have expertise in a particular subject and some teaching experience. Create engaging lesson plans and use interactive tools to keep students motivated. Online tutoring offers flexible hours and the ability to work with students from different parts of the world, making it a versatile option for earning money from home. Selling products online. Starting an online store is a great way to turn your hobbies or crafts into a profitable business. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon allow you to sell handmade goods, vintage items, or even dropshipping products without having to manage inventory. Identify a niche market and source or create products that appeal to that audience. High-quality product photos and detailed descriptions can help attract buyers. Utilize social media and digital marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. Selling products online can start as a side hustle and grow into a full-time business, providing a steady stream of income from the comfort of your home. Content creation. Creating content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can be a lucrative way to make money from home. If you have a talent for entertaining, educating, or inspiring others, consider starting a channel or profile focused on your interests. Successful content creators often earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The key to success is consistency and engaging with your audience. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing to ensure high-quality content. By building a loyal following, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture while working from home. Remote work. Many companies are now offering remote work opportunities, allowing employees to work from home. Remote jobs can range from customer service and virtual assistants to software development and project management. Job boards like Remote.co, FlexJobs, and We Work Remotely specialize in listing remote positions. Tailor your resume to highlight your ability to work independently and manage your time effectively. Secure a dedicated workspace and reliable internet connection to ensure productivity. Remote work provides the stability of a traditional job with the flexibility of working from home, making it an attractive option for many. Virtual assistants. Providing virtual assistance services is a flexible and in-demand way to make money from home. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks, customer service, social media management, and more. As a virtual assistant, you can offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Zirtual. Tailor your services to meet the specific needs of your clients and strive to deliver excellent service. Effective communication and time management are key to success in this role. Virtual assistance allows you to work with clients from various industries, providing a diverse and rewarding work experience. Blogging. Starting a blog can be a profitable way to share your knowledge and passions while making money from home. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Consistently create valuable and engaging content that attracts readers. Monetize your blog through various methods, such as display ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services. Building a successful blog takes time and dedication, but with persistence and a focus on providing value, you can create a sustainable income stream. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting and dog walking can be a rewarding way to make money from home. Many pet owners need someone reliable to care for their pets while they are away. Sign up with platforms like Rover, Wag, or PetSitter.com to connect with pet owners in your area. Offer services such as dog walking, pet sitting, and overnight care. Providing excellent care and building a good reputation can lead to repeat clients and referrals. This is a great option for animal lovers looking to earn extra income while enjoying the company of pets. Offering online consulting services. If you have expertise in a specific field, offering online consulting services can be a lucrative way to make money from home. Whether you are knowledgeable in business, finance, health, or any other area, there are individuals and businesses willing to pay for your advice. Use platforms like Clarity.fm or start your own website to offer consulting sessions. Provide valuable insights and solutions to your clients' problems, and focus on building a reputation for delivering results. Online consulting allows you to share your expertise while earning a substantial income. Renting out your space. If you have extra space in your home, renting it out can be a profitable way to make money from home. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO allow you to rent out a spare room, basement, or even your entire home to travelers. Prepare your space by making it clean, comfortable, and welcoming for guests. Set competitive prices and provide excellent hospitality to earn positive reviews. Renting out your space can provide a steady stream of income, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination or a city with high demand for short-term rentals. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips for making money from home in 2024 have inspired you to explore new opportunities. Working from home offers flexibility, independence, and the chance to earn income on your terms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share your own experiences and tips for making money from home in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Best of luck in your journey to financial success, and see you in the next video.